Good morning, dear. Please have a seat. Come here, sit next to me. Thank you, ma'am. So, tell me what's your good name? Tanisha Sharma. So, my name is Asha Gera, and as you know, I'm your home tutor. So, without wasting any time, let's start up with the business studies. Okay, first chapter. Okay, please open your book. As you already know, Tanisha, you have kept your tuition very late, and it's only been left 2 months for your board exam. And that's why I have completed this first chapter, Nature and Significance of Management, today itself. Now we're having day after tomorrow our class. I hope you will learn it and we will have oral test. Thank you. Bye beta. See you soon. Thank you, ma'am. See you soon. Okay, so now let's learn the nature and significance of management because my tutor will be taking my oral test day after tomorrow. Let's check out. Alright, now I have prepared for my oral test and also kept the first step in the preparation of my board exams. I hope you all are also doing your preparations and I wish you all the best. Bye.